Hi everybody, today in front of me I have this Samsung Galaxy A33 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show you the top 3 home screen widgets that you can possibly add on this device. So let's go ahead and start. You can call up for the widgets either by making the shrink and swipe or tap and hold in on any vacant spot you have on your home screen. Then go to widgets, and here we have widgets that are divided into very convenient categories. So let's go ahead and start. The first widget that I would highly recommend on adding is Google search bar. So in here just look for the Google category, tap at the search bar, press on add, and it will be successfully added to the home screen. In order to choose its location, just tap and hold at the widget and move it to the home screen of your liking. I'll just drop it here. So the second widget that I would highly recommend you guys is the weather widget. It is located at the weather category in here. Just expand it, choose the style and design that you like. I'll go with the first one. It's like the most simple design and I like it the best. Press on add. You'll need to set it up at the first time. Choose your location, choose what kind of what city it will display the weather of. In my case it's Krakow, so, and it got determined automatically just because I gained it the location permits. Choose the screen. I'll place it here actually. And the third and the last widget for this video is the reminder widget, which is located at the reminder category in here. It allows you to not lose the track of things that needs to be done and prevents you from forgetting basically anything. Choose the design that you'd like, either this one or this one. I'll probably go with this simple version and put it right here. I don't have any active reminders on me, but I mean, as soon as you add any, they will be displayed in here, and you will not forget about anything just because you'll have the reminder right on the home screen of your device. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, leave your comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.